In this video, we will learn about non-destructive testing processes. Already we have learned about dry penetrant inspection in the last video. In this video, we will mainly focus on major testing process, magnetic particle inspection, and the magnetic particle inspection is one of the non-destructive testing process, and this have been done with the help of the suitable magnetic field after applying onto the material. So in this magnetic particle testing, there are two main magnetization will come into picture. The one magnetization is direct magnetization and indirect magnetization. In direct magnetization, we have to apply current through the coil. As you can able to see in the figure, after applying the current through the coil, some amount of magnetic field will be produced around the coil with the help of the workpiece. What we are to find out whether the material has fault or not. So this is one of the magnetization, and the another magnetization is indirect magnetization. In indirect magnetization, the current is not passed. Instead of current passing, we have to add the permanent magnet or electromagnet. With the help of the electromagnet or permanent magnet, we can able to produce a strong magnetic field. With the help of the strong magnetic field, we can able to find out the flaw which is present inside on the material. So in this magnetic particle inspection, most of the inspection has been done with the help of the electromagnet, because the electromagnet can control how much the magnetic field should be used, or how much magnetic field should be emitted from the coil with the help of the flow of current, so that we can able to find out the flaw which is present on the material. So this kind of inspection has been done to the welding process. For example, we are welding to join two materials. There are different types of welding process, T-joint and butt joint. There are many n number of welding processes are there. For that, we have to find out whether any defect on the welding. For that defect, we are using this kind of magnetic particle inspection method. So by this way, after giving the current to the coil which is present inside the electromagnet, there is some amount of magnetic field will be produced. Due to the magnetic field is produced, after that we have to add the fine magnetic particles on the welded region. This is one of the important point. We have to add the fine magnetic particles on the welded joint. So after spraying the fine magnetic particles, with the help of the magnetic field which is produced due to the current which is flow on the coil, more amount of magnetic fine particles will be assembled near the flaw or the defect which is inside, which is on the weld, not inside, which is on the weld. So after some time, we can able to see with our naked eye, more amount of fine magnetic particles will be assembled on a space. If there is any defect, if there is no defect, there will be no assembly of fine particles. So if there is any defect, we can able to see with our naked eye, in that region some amount of defect is there. So by this way, we can able to find out where the defect on the welded material after joining two metals. So by this way, we can able to inspect with the help of the magnetic field. The main advantage is we can able to find out it with a short bit of time, and we can able to change the magnetic field according to the given coil current. And this electromagnetic method comes under indirect magnetization, because we are not giving a current to the material directly. Whereas in direct magnetization, we have to make a coil along with the workpiece. So we have to do current. So in this method, we are not giving. So with the help of the electromagnet, we are doing this magnetic particle inspection method. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.